see. The mirror ball reflects you and me. In the quiet space we breathe and share, a sacred circle where we lay it bare. Triggers rise, but we're not alone, breaking patterns, reclaiming home. Old wounds whisper, but we choose to heal. Step by step we learn to feel. Connection flows like rivers wide, in the safety where we all confide. Let the old dissolve, the new takes place. True flippant statements guide our grace. Tools in hand, we face the storm. Within the structure, freedom is born. Facilitators hold the space for healing rhythms we embrace. The past may echo, but it won't define. We rewrite the story, one line at a time. Flexibility within the plan, here we rise, hand in hand. Connection flows like rivers wide, in the safety where we all confide. Let the old dissolve, the new takes place. True flippant statements guide our grace. The pain, release the chain. Through mindful moments we reclaim. The truth we find is soft and strong. We've been the answer all along. Beneath the pain, release the chain. Through mindful moments we reclaim. The truth we find is soft and strong. We've been the answer all along. Beneath the layers we start to see. The mirror ball reflects unity. In every moment, present and true, we step forward.